You're welcome to Carma Studios. Abusia Stonebwoy, the Beam Fest 10th anniversary date because so at the Accra Sports Stadium on 24th December 2025. Now, a lot of sabotaging and a lot of things happened at the Beam Nation Festival. We got you all the gist from his dressing, his stage entrance, second entrance, and all that artists who perform. So it's not very concerning the Beam Fest Abusia. The most went man fele spaces are not that than Kunyon Abusia. They said it is plenty to the extent that I believe is a Stonebwoy couldn't fill the Accra Sports Stadium for the second time. Now we get you all the just make sure to follow this page. I go by the name Sticky, the superstar, your favorite and your youngest content creator on the social, in the media and the web. Now this is McCoy report Abusia. If you have been following his page lately on Facebook, you could see say, yeah, he's one of the critics of Stonebwoy. Yes, he's a Stonebwoy posti BBR Kosubia. Now I see people are asking, is that Baphomet Mwamoko sorry na yena yakwa sorry na nyamamoko because I also attend Presby. Now I say yena yakwa sorry no we believe say there is Abusia Bonsambi a friend Baphomet. Now when you look at the Stonebwoy in dressing way take on stage now you could see say Abusia there no she crown be last year stage entrance no superb, this year also superb, but there is this one questionable tenor no she chebi Abusia, it has two horns on it, something like this, and McCoy reports say there be, is that the Baphomet? As for Shatawale, he has openly referenced God, Allah, the Bible and the Quran in his music and public statement. People connect with that authenticity. He won't sell his soul to impress anybody. Now you say when you look at Stonebwoy in dressing, you could see Stonebwoy is worshiping Baphomet, because when you look at the Chibina Nation trying to tell something, said the last thing ukuta Pumobia, Pumano, Eddie meaning and understanding, Emma Ghanaians, this time around another thing circulating on the internet, Abusia. Who be now someone tells here why did Stonebwoy wore that crown, and I said that thing. Now Stonebwoy posted this and in a year McCoy reports agent so the fire Stonebwoy say I serve as a Beam Fest 25. I serve a living God. Beam Nation till forever. 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. sold out 2 times at Accra Sports Stadium. Merry Christmas to OU or Abusia and Stonebwoy too. Now Baphomet picture and Abusia you could see say Baphomet the channel something like this. There are 2 horns say and I could see that there is this something like the blaster and also the tin feeling and so and a Stonebwoy also the something like this. That is the picture circulating on the on your screens, and I almost say there be Stonebwoy Abusia. Stonebwoy is serving Baphomet. Now Accra Sports Stadium after the show Stonebwoy sold out the Accra Sports Stadium, stage performance, everything. Abusia, your man is really him. He is whoever you think he is, because that 24th a lot of events and happening here. Samini experience at La Boma Beach with Chatawale and the likes of Kojo Blacks and all Kevin Bwoy and Intense Kevin Bwoy the Amsterdam home for 20-man repeat. Now a lot of artists my SM crowd by the show and I say Ebeka say Samini has paved the way for all the dancehall artists in the country. Jupiter also came and he said Sam and Jupiter said there be Stonebwoy is a bomber clat Stonebwoy. Samini paved the way for them, those who are doing the dancehall in Ghana and Africa, and Samini is the one who introduced dancehall to the game, and then almost Samini is the legend. Now those claiming the dancehall king and the dancehall queen and the dancehall ten, Shatawale any Jupiter say Samini is a dancehall king in the country and in Africa. Now I want to preview where the man for. Now the question is, do you think Stonebwoy is serving the Satan? And I said the Ebribisa ko the Kwadebonyum Illuminati. What I do what I say? Is this thing the same thing happening to Stonebwoy? Now for believe that Stonebwoy has sold the soul for riches, wealth, and then these things, because you believe it when you are making it, you have associated yourself to a certain organization as a certain group and on as Abri McCoy reports on the social and the media spaces said that Stonebwoy has sold the soul to Baphomet and Tisabri. Yes, Stonebwoy channel or Chechemubi on Fambra. Beam natives, if you also have any understanding to that crown and nature Stonebwoy and Abusia, come and explain to us, because McCoy reports any Ghana for Bibina are requesting for answers. Now I know somewhere owes nobody any explanation, but per multiple reports, McCoy say Shatawale de Agusia waka ne public statement will make you say he serve a living God, he serve Allah, he serve just what Jankopon di on ton the crown from Mobia inti Agusia. But somebody the minka and the young fancy Fijimu. Eno the oho na mami nwa adwon so comment section as I Carma Studios. Anything that drops on the social media space, if you want the trending news, make sure to follow this page. Be answer maybe because of social media space. Now go by the name Sticky the Superstar, your favorite and the youngest content creator in your country, and I'm finally out. Yeah.